Lord, here I am again, standing in your presence, not because I am strong, not because I have done everything right, but because I need you. I come with a heart that has known mistakes. I come with thoughts that sometimes wander. I come with emotions I don't always understand. Yet I also come with hope, because I know who you are. You are a God of mercy. When I look back at my life, I see moments where I should have fallen apart, moments where I should have been lost, moments where I should have been alone. But somehow, your mercy stood in my place. When I failed, you did not turn away. When I was silent, you still heard my heart. When I felt unworthy, you still called me your own. Lord, I don't ask you to ignore my flaws. I ask you to cover me with mercy. Mercy over my words when I spoke without love. Mercy over my actions when I chose fear instead of faith. Mercy over my heart when it became tired, heavy, and unsure. There are days when I try to be strong on my own, days when I pretend I'm okay, days when I smile, but inside I'm asking for help. And even on those days, your mercy finds me. Your mercy doesn't shout, it doesn't accuse, it gently reaches out and says, I am still here. Lord, let your mercy rest over me today. Not just for what I've done, but for what I'm still becoming. Cover my past with forgiveness. Cover my present with peace. Cover my future with your guidance. When guilt tries to remind me of who I used to be, remind me of who you say I am. When fear tries to control my steps, teach me to walk in trust again. I don't need everything to be perfect. I don't need all the answers right now. I just need your mercy to lead me one step at a time. Because your mercy heals what I can't fix. Your mercy restores what feels broken. Your mercy gives me strength when mine runs out. Lord, teach my heart to rest in you. Teach my soul to breathe again. Teach me to believe that your grace is greater than my mistakes. If I fall, let your mercy lift me. If I doubt, let your mercy remind me. If I'm weak, let your mercy hold me. Today, I surrender my pride. I surrender my fear. I surrender my need to control everything. I place my life in your hands and say, Lord, have mercy over me. Not because I deserve it, but because you are good, because you are faithful, because your mercy never runs out. And even when my faith feels small, even when my prayers feel quiet, even when my heart feels tired, let your mercy remain over me. Amen.